Gonzales.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before I start, let me have the honor to acknowledge the presence of the following: the Principal Israel Hagi Sir, Principal of NTC, the Principal Ramiel Eving Sir, the Officer in charge of MBHTE, Police Master Sergeant Amiruddin D. Ibrahim of Mapa Municipal Police Station, Technical Sergeant Roque V. Senieres of the Philippine Navy Marines, Petty Officer First Class Richie Kamaluddin of the Philippine Coast Guard, Technical Sergeant Renner J. Lim of the Philippine Air Force, to the CMP Commandant Ruben R. Maghani, sir,
Sana palupos na ro.
and to distinguished guests, respected officers, dedicated instructors, faculty teachers, and unity when you are pushed beyond your comfort zones.
Sir Mirales.
Success is earned through teamwork, resilience. To the training officers and instructors, thank you for your patience, your discipline, and your unwavering belief in your students' potential. You did more than train their bodies, but you molded their mindsets and strengthened their values. This achievement is not just for the students, but also to the families and loved ones. Sa mga magulang po na patuloy kong sumusuporta at gumagawa palakpakan po natin ang ating mga sarili.
11.
Thank you po, sir. Yesterday, Magpagayan, Bapon, Tawi-Tawi, Philippines presents this certificate of
Anda ka?
integrity and respect. Excellence.
Hello, B. Wow, Minchili. Minchili from Korea. One of the beautiful vloggers. Uy, lagi ko mag-best over. Vlogger.
Mr. Israel R. Manganoy, Mahen, Principal, and Reverend Father Edgar and Gumban Maymay. To give the certificate to our guest speaker. Sir.
Hello, ma'am. Hello. Hello, ma'am. I'm Liz. Say hi naman. Say hi to Minchili. Yeah. Start. Say hi naman to Minchili from Korea.
Lawak ni large.
Aha.